See, what is the purpose of the diode? There are two cases in which we have connected diode, okay, but here we have given AC supply instead of DC supply, and one, this is the plain wire, okay. So here you have connected diode and here you didn't connect it with the diode. Suppose with the supply we have connected resistor also, and here also we are connected with the resistor, okay. Just imagine that you are doing any project with your like school project or lab project. So what did you do? If you have given positive supply, okay, if you have given positive supply, then here supply would be positive, right, and here supply would be negative. So here in this case diode is connected. This one is the anode part. I think you know about it, like this is a diode and this one is known as anode, right, and this one is known as cathode. So here anode should be connected with the positive and cathode should be connected with the negative. Then only in that case current will flow, right? So if suppose we have connected with the positive and we have connected with the negative, so in this case current will flow through the bulb and the it will work properly, no problem. And in this case we have not connected any diode. In this case also we have given first the positive supply. So here would be positive, here would be negative. Current will flow through the diode, which flow through the bulb. This is a bulb, and then in that case it is also good. Clear? Now what happened with the negative case? In this if we'll give the negative supply, okay, now after positive negative supply will come, right? So here the supply will change. Here it will become negative and here it will become positive, correct? So in this case tell me what will happen. In this case current will flow or not? Current will flow or not towards the diode, through the diode? No, see, I told you here this is the anode. If anode is connected with the negative and cathode is connected with the positive, okay, then in that case it will work as a reverse bias. And in the case of reverse bias, current will not flow. And in the case of forward bias, above is the case of forward bias. In this case, current will flow. Okay, clear? Just hold for a while. Hold for a while. Okay, understood this thing? Okay, so now what happens? Suppose here the current is flowing, here the current is not flowing. Suppose you are doing this project, okay, you come and you give a positive supply, that bulb will work properly. But suppose you here your friend will come in this project, okay, in this he has not connected with the diode, but your friend has come and he has connected with the negative supply, means he has connected opposite supply. So in this case bulb will work or not, or bulb will become damaged? Not understood? Okay, I'm telling you again one more time. There is a first case in which you have connected diode. This is your project. You are intelligent. You have connected diode with the bulb. There is one another project with this is of your friend. He says to you that there is no need of connecting diode. I can connect directly bulb to the supply. Okay. Now you both leave your project for a while and someone another friend of your come. What did he do? He connected your project. He connected with your project with the negative supply, like the negative this one and positive this one. So if we'll connect it negative here, positive here, the current will flow to the bulb, yes or no? No. So because here in this case diode will work as a reverse bias. If diode will work as a reverse bias, it will work as a open switch. Okay, means it will work as a like a open switch, so current would not be able to flow through the bulb. But again this same friend goes to your project, goes to your friend project. Now he connected the opposite supply, negative positive. So in this case current will flow through the bulb, yes or no? So in this case, as he connected the opposite supply, so there is a chances of getting damage to the bulb, right? as he connected opposite supply. He should connect positive here, negative here, but he didn't know about it. He's like, actually for this, okay, yeah, for this bulb you can say I'm taking an example for a bulb. For bulb it is not a problem if we give supply from here to here, but instead of bulb, if we take any electronic device or any another sensitive device in which current can flow only one direction, then in that case will it affect or not? In that case, okay, consider that one only, because bulb I'm taking a normal day-to-day life. That's why I have took bulb example. In the bulb it doesn't matter, but if I'll connect it, suppose AC, it is a sensitive device. So in this case, you are a good intelligent, you connected diode, so your AC will be protected. But another case, your friend did not connected diode with the AC, so and it can, there is a chances of damaging to AC. Okay, now it's clear. So basically this is the function of the bulb. Okay, note it down. Wait. Now understood what is the importance of the diode here? Why why we are using diode? Because there is a function of diode. What is that main function of the diode? That diode allows current only in one direction. Diode allows current only in one direction. It does not allow current in the opposite direction, so here it we are using as a protection. Write down, then I'll tell you the exactly use of the diode. Done. Okay, next see,